Make money from YouTube. Argo Pratomo3230. How to make money from YouTube. There are several ways to make money from YouTube, including advertising revenue. You can earn money from ads that play before, during, or after your videos. To be eligible for this, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time on your channel. Sponsored content. You can earn money by creating sponsored videos for brands. This can be done by creating a video review of a product or service, or by including a brand's product in your video. Affiliate marketing. You can earn money by promoting other people's products or services in your videos and including an affiliate link in the video description. When someone clicks on the link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. YouTube Premium. You can earn money by creating content that is exclusive to YouTube Premium subscribers, who pay a monthly fee to access exclusive content. Channel memberships. You can earn money by giving exclusive perks to your channel members, who pay a monthly fee to support your channel. Super Chat. You can earn money by receiving a super chat, which is a paid message from a viewer that stands out in the chat stream. It's important to note that making money from YouTube takes time and effort. You'll need to consistently create and upload high-quality videos and grow your audience in order to monetize your channel. Don't forget to shop for the product at this link, friends. https://showpay.ee/44631teach https://www.digistore24.com/product/418593